Hi, my name is Sammy. Welcome back to another Green It Yourself gardening video. Today we're going to be growing toilet paper. As you know, in the shortages of it, I want to have enough to sustain myself. Here's one I grew earlier, using it a lot back. I like to use 3-ply, that way you can get 3 separate rolls from one. There's 2 ways of growing your toilet paper. One is from seedling, or the second one is from seed. I like to prepare my soil using manure. What more can I say? So you just plant it in that pre-prepared hole, making sure all the while that your plies are separated. And then you just plonk that in there. Cover it up. Now, the one thing you don't want to do is water your toilet paper, because that's where everybody goes wrong. Toilet paper is quite a dry growing thing. You don't want to water it because then it goes all soggy and all die. The second ply is starting to emerge. You know, when it's ready to harvest and when it blooms, you'll start to see white splodges of toilet paper emerging, and finally you'll get your finished product, a roll of toilet paper. To harvest, rip the stem connecting toilet paper to flower. This plant is cut and come again, which means it will flower again next year. So just put another roll on and wait, ready for the next arrival. Here you have it, your own grown toilet paper. They say it doesn't grow on trees, but really, it does. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.